name is Victoria and I work for Vision Redbridge Culture and Leisure, and today we are here for Festival of the Dead 2025. Festival of the Dead is a 2-day event and takes place across 2 of our libraries, Wanstead Library and Redbridge Central Library. We're the first deaf-positive library in the UK, which means we encourage people to talk about a difficult subject which affects us all. The day is about bringing the community together through performance, creative workshops and family-friendly fun.
It's been a fantastic event with loads of arts and crafts, and it's perfectly timed in half term as well, so it gives the little ones lots of stuff to do. It allows lots of cultures and communities to thrive and see what other people celebrate.
I think it's a great idea to honour those that have passed in this beautiful way and colourful way.
I think it's amazing. I've actually come from Stratford to this borough. We didn't have anything in my local borough. I've learned so much today.
I think talking about grief is really important, and ultimately we're often talking about people that we love, which can be a really joyful thing as well as a thing that might have other feelings in there. So it feels really important to create spaces where we can talk about that, and other cultures are amazing at it. So these things are really important, not just for sadness but also as a moment of celebration and the community all coming together.
I'm going the 2nd year with my children, with my family. Last time was great and this time is even better. What I like the most is the idea of celebrating death and also celebrating the life.